Okay, phase one of my mission. I'm going to get my race suit today. I'm going to Grand Prix racewear at Silverstone, which is very exciting. And we think this might be the difficult part because I am 4'11", so finding something to fit me is a bit of a challenge. So hopefully they've got something. If not, they might have to make it, which is going to be a bit of a faff. So fingers crossed I walk out with my very own race suit, but we'll see.
Based at the heart of UK motorsport, GPR supply racewear for all levels of motorsport enthusiast. And I met up with Keith, who led me through the process of buying my first ever race suit.
Hello.
Oh, hello there.
Hi, I'm
Nice
Izzy.
to meet you.
Lovely
Hi,
to
Izzy.
meet
Nice to meet you. I'm
Okay.
Keith. Welcome to GPR.
It's looking very cool in here.
Thank you, yes.
So, I need a race suit.
Okay.
You're the man.
Yeah, absolutely. So motorsport, full-on racing.
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem
That's
at
the
all.
plan.
Follow me this way, probably
Okay.
best if we go around here. So,
Small.
looking at
Very small.
let's go for that one. So if you spin round, first thing we do, we just offer it up to your shoulders, and what we need is it to be 3 or 4 inches too long. So if it's
How
a
we
little
looking?
bit too long, yeah, that might be a little bit too long, but we'll take this as a starting point.
Okay.
So we'll take it upstairs, you can try that on, and I can sort out some other ones for you to look at as well.
Cool.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Okay.
Let's do it. So I'm going to go and try my first race suit on. The issue is I'm 4'11", so the chances of it fitting are quite slim. We're going to give it a go.
So we've got this one as a starting point,
Okay.
and I've got you the other ones from the different manufacturers as well that you can try and see if you prefer
Okay,
those.
cool.
So race underwear is thicker than a t-shirt, thinner than a
Right.
sweatshirt. So down to a t-shirt if you can, perfect. And trousers and shoes off so you can get it on.
Okay.
Yep, so we'll pop you in there and you can have a
Amazing.
go.
Thank you so much. Okay, I'm probably going to do this on my own. That's all right.
Do you usually have people this small coming into the shop?
Oh, we get all shapes and sizes, don't worry. Yeah, we can normally accommodate most people, yeah. That's not a bad fit, it's probably just a little bit long, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not terrible, but it's a bit sort of...
Yeah.
Long on the bottom.
No, well, we can come down a size, don't worry. So
Okay.
if you want to sit down in it first, ideally what you want to do is be able to do the racing driver's wriggle. So can you do full lock? And can you
Yes.
bend your knees and sit down in the car? So that's what you're looking for. I would say that's probably a little bit long.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll come down one.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's do that.
Going to be too small.
That looks tiny.
This is the style. I didn't know how tiny we had to be, so I got. Yeah, we won't bother with
That
this.
looks so... I mean, I don't know.
It might work height-wise, but
Yeah,
I
but
don't think
then
you'd
I
get
might-
your shoulders in it. You just.
I mean, I can try it.
What age of people usually wear that size?
Oh, 14-year-old children. No. Racewear is only for grown-ups anyway, so we would rarely get anybody too young.
Why
in
don't
there.
I try it and then see where we go? I literally can't even get it over my foot. Whose feet are that small?
No, but we do. I mean, some of the hot shots going up from karting into something like Formula 4, they are 14, 15 years old.
That's crazy.
And if they are the skinny lightweight type, then yeah, they can probably get it past their ankles, but not much further.
Okay, well, I can't.
Well, don't worry, pass me that one over the top and I shall
Yeah.
give you this option instead. So if you try that one, shut that one over. Oh, there we go. Thank you.
Oh, this one's cool.
Yeah, that's nice, that one, isn't it?
The problem is, I'm just not, like, my body is too short. Like, it needs to be up there, you know?
Need to hang from the stairs
Yeah,
a short while,
literally.
yeah. But that's better length on the legs, isn't it?
Yeah.
And you've got movement in the body. Again, sit down and see if you can wriggle.
Tend to drive the car.
Yeah, do you think? Mhm.
I'm driving.
Yep,
I'm driving.
you are. And you're
Sitting.
moving your legs.
Yes.
So you can do all that, so that's good. Can you breathe?
Enough, yes.
Enough.
Yeah.
Every third one. This is the bottom size, so we can go up a bit more. So if we get one that's a little bit longer, it might be a bit fuller in the body.
Yeah.
We'll go up one and see what it feels like. But do you like that suit?
I quite like this one,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
It's quite cool.
Yeah. That's the one, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah, brilliant.
It's really comfortable. I like the colours.
Yeah.
Like the fit.
No, and you've got stretch panels in the right places. You've got stretch up here, so that's a floating sleeve, they call it. So you've got that stretched away from the body so you can move. Yeah, looks good.
I feel like a racing driver.
You look like a racing driver.
So that was the race suit sorted. Next up, it was boots and gloves, hopefully in a small enough size.
We're in luck. We actually have a few choices for you.
Yay!
Different manufacturers again, but we'll try them.
That just looks insanely tiny. it literally fits.
And you fell into it, yeah.
That's crazy.
Isn't it? Yeah, they just look totally different. I think obviously the
do.
colour makes a difference and it's visually a different thing. But when you do them up, what you want to do is make sure you pull up from the bottom.
Wow.
So pull up all these laces nice and tight each time so it shapes around your foot.
Oh my gosh.
It's avoiding that side to side slopping about.
Yeah.
You want it to fit like a sports shoe.
These ones.
Sold.
After some deliberation, decisions were made and the fit was complete. Whilst Keith priced up the goods, Ed from FF Corsa showed me something pretty special tucked away in their workshop.
So what am I actually sat in right now?
This is a Ferrari 296 GT3. GT3 now being the highest level of sports car racing in the world. This is our brand new 296, delivered late last year. So trying to put some programs together for it this year.
That's pretty exciting. It feels like a bit of an animal.
Yeah. It's a highly competitive car. It's proven that already. And Orica, who actually make the car for Ferrari, done an amazing job engineering it. I mean, you can see how beautiful it is inside, but it's highly adaptable to all the balance of performance that the cars run to in all the championships.
So where is this going to race then?
Hopefully in the UK, in the British GT Championship, potentially some European championships, but we're still formulating that plan.
Cool.
There's a seat available if you're interested.
Yeah, can I drive it?
Yeah, sure.
Jokes, that's terrifying. I'm going to try and get out now. I feel like I think the car is giving birth to me. I'm out. Thank you so much.
Okay, there we go. No problem at all. Thanks very much. Hope it all goes well for you.
See you soon.
Thanks,
Bye-bye.
Izzy. Bye.
That wasn't as stressful as I thought it was going to be. I actually found something that fit, which is a miracle. I've got boots, I've got everything I need except a helmet. So next up, we're going to go all the way up to Edinburgh and get one designed specially for me. Let's go.